Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Appreciate everyone tuning in. We're going to do a little addition to the Shelby again using Bemaro Films. Have their vinyl decals that we're going to add certain spots on the Shelby. So this is what we're going to add from Bemaro Films. We're going to do black accents to the GT350 emblem on the grille and on the trunk. Going to add this small little backdrop to the dash plaque. Going to do the letters under the hood, the carbon fiber composite, and then the GT350 emblems on the fenders. And these were all attached together when they came. They were doubled up. I just took the scissors and split them so it would be easier to work. And then you get a couple decals from Bemaro Films that they give you. So that's what we have. We got some alcohol that we're going to clean up, microfiber, and we'll see how this goes. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add to that the emblems on the fenders, the carbon fiber composite underneath the hood, and the small dash plaque inside the car. First thing I'll do is we'll clean it off with some alcohol. And I believe they're just spaced out just right, so when you separate this, they should fit right over the letters. And they do want to release from the clear part, so you just got to take it easy as you peel it back, nice and slow. All right, and then we got to line it up. We'll see how that works out. You gotta peel this back very easy because it will start peeling off. Well, one thing, I was having a hard time having them stick, so we'll see how they work out. We'll get this next one on there and see how that sticks. Again, you got to be very easy with pulling the letters off so they all stay. Set it again. See what happens. What I'm going to do is put a little heat to it too. There you go. Now we'll move on to the grille and the trunk badges. See how they go. Clean it off with some alcohol. Flip it back and see what happens. I think I got it. I think it's working. Yep, there we go. Clean this back one off. There we go. I'll go ahead and work on this fender once again. Clean it off. This is the difficult part. Trying to get it to stay. I think it looks pretty good. So it's not like a big difference, but it's just going to give it a subtle change, which I like. I didn't film doing the passenger side, but passenger side is done. It actually went on really smooth. Now I'm going to work on the dash plaque, which just a little tiny thing. We'll clean it off. That thing's tiny. Look how little that little thing is. So this is just a sticker. There is no clear over top of this one for some reason. So we're just going to pull the sticker off. I don't know why it's like that. And stick this one in the best we can. So small to work with. We're gonna go with, sorry if I was in the way. think it looks good. That was difficult to get on. It's so tiny. I think that's going to be it. All right, so there you have it. A few touches from Bemaro Films. And that's going to be it. Not easy to put on. Very tedious, but take your time. You can get through it. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, take care.